Is it actually possible to build significant wealth simply by collecting checks from the companies you own? As we step into July 2026, the market is presenting a unique landscape for investors looking to move beyond simple capital gains. While many focus on volatile price swings, a more strategic approach is emerging, identifying dividend stocks that act as easy wealth builders. Today, Monday, July 6, 2026, we aren't just looking at speculation, we are looking at the fundamental power of compounding through reliable payouts. If you want to move from working for money to having your money work for you, understanding these specific dividend-yielding assets is the first step in your journey toward true financial independence. The investment landscape has seen significant chatter recently regarding high-quality income assets. Just yesterday, on July 5, 2026, multiple financial outlets, including The Motley Fool and AOL, highlighted specific dividend stocks that are positioned to be exceptional wealth builders. This isn't a new trend, but rather a reinforced sentiment. Earlier this year, back in May 2026, analysts were already pointing out that certain dividend stocks belong in every portfolio, regardless of how volatile the broader market becomes. We are seeing a clear trend where investors are pivoting away from pure speculation and towards companies with proven track records of returning value to shareholders through consistent dividends. Why does this matter right now? In previous months, such as February 2026, we saw discussions regarding unstoppable dividend stocks that could protect investors during potential market sell-offs. This highlights the current impact of dividend investing. It provides a psychological and financial cushion. When the market gets choppy, the steady stream of cash from dividends provides a layer of stability that growth stocks alone cannot offer. Instead of worrying about daily price fluctuations, seasoned investors are focusing on the yield and the reliability of the payout, turning market volatility into an opportunity to acquire more shares at a lower cost. As we move through this month, the tension between growth and income is palpable. While Yahoo Finance has recently identified 3 magnificent growth stocks to watch for July 2026, the real magic often happens when you blend that growth potential with the stability of dividends. The outlook for the coming weeks suggests a bifurcated market where investors must choose between aggressive capital appreciation and the steady, compounding power of dividends. For those building long-term wealth, the focus should be on identifying companies that offer both, the ability to grow their earnings and the discipline to increase their dividend payouts year after year. So, what is your takeaway for this Monday? Wealth isn't built overnight through a single lucky trade, it is built through the disciplined selection of assets that pay you to own them. Whether you are looking for the aggressive growth highlighted by recent July reports or the defensive stability of the dividend stocks mentioned by the major financial outlets, the key is consistency. Focus on companies that demonstrate strong cash flows and a commitment to shareholders. Start building your engine of passive income today, and let the power of compounding turn those small dividends into a massive financial legacy over the coming years.